In this video, I'm going to be sharing my 5 top tips for shooting better travel videos. These tips are going to make life a whole lot easier, but still keep the production value high. It's coming up. Hey everyone, Steve here from Learn Online Video, and today I want to talk about making travel videos, or how we can make better travel videos. Now for me, when I'm shooting a travel video, I like to be mobile and I like to be lightweight. If I see something that I'm looking to capture, I want to be able to capture that quickly and efficiently. So with that in mind, these are my 5 top tips for making better travel videos. Number 1, travel as light as possible. Ideally, everything will fit into one bag. The more mobile you are, the less you have to carry and the more footage you'll be able to capture. Number 2, shoot handheld. This takes a bit of practice, but once you master it, you'll have no need for tripods or camera sliders. These can be heavy and take a while to set up. If you're looking to capture static shots or a time lapse, then take a gorilla pod. This does exactly the same job, but at a fraction of the size. Again, mobility is key when it comes to making travel videos. Be lightweight, be run and gun. Tip number 3, use your camera strap. Now this does 2 things. The first thing, that it allows you to walk around hands-free. This is a massive bonus when you're shooting a travel video. You don't want to be whipping your camera out of your bag every time you want to shoot, okay? Having it around your neck gives you easy access to it at all times. Now the second reason I say use a camera strap is that this can actually help get you really smooth shots without having to use a gimbal or a slider. Now, if you have a camera strap around your neck, what this does is it allows you to have 3 points of contact on the camera. First, hand on the camera. Second, hand on the lens. The third point of contact is the strap around your neck. If you pull the strap tight so it creates just a little bit of tension, this massively reduces camera shake and allows you to get really smooth tilts, pans. You can replicate Steadicam shots by shooting this way. This is a total game changer when it comes to shooting travel videos. Just look at some of these shots. This one here was shot completely handheld. I'm trying to mimic a slider shot. This shot here, I tried to mimic a crane shot, but again, this is all handheld. And this shot here, I'm replicating a Steadicam. All of these shots were shot handheld. To the untrained eye, they may think that this was shot with a slider or a crane or a Steadicam, but in actual fact, was all shot handheld. Tip number 4, make sure you get a variety of shots, different focal lengths, okay? Make sure you've got the nice big wide establishing shots, but then also make sure you're capturing the detailed shots. I see so many travel videos that are either just shot at one focal length or all shot on a gimbal or all just wide shots, and this can get very samey and boring for an audience very quickly. The best travel videos make you feel like you're at that destination. The more variety of footage that you have when it comes to the edit, the easier it will be, so give yourself plenty of options. And tip number 5, make sure you're capturing nice, clean, crisp, natural sounds, okay? Audio is something that's often overlooked when it comes to video production, but this is so important. Don't use the internal microphone on your camera. Try to use something like this. This is the Rode mic. It will sit on top of your camera. Just make sure that you're capturing clean and crisp audio. Now, just to show what I mean, here is a clip using just visuals and music. Not bad, right? But now here's that same clip with music, visuals, and natural sounds. And just like that, we've added another layer to our video, a little extra something just to help immerse the audience when they watch. So look, I hope these tips have helped. If they have, let me know by hitting the old thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more content just like this, you can subscribe by clicking the icon below. I post a new video each week. If you'd like to watch another video now, learn some more, you can do that by clicking over there. But that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.